Hi, my name is Shan. I will do hand washing procedure. And then first is do not do not touch the I do not touch the sink and do not allow to clothes to touch the sink during the washing procedure. And next is remove all the accessories on your hand and place it to the safe place and turn on the faucet regularly to flow water and set to room temperature. And next, wet the hand with the wrist area. Lower than elbow to allow the water to flow towards fingertips. And next is use about the 5 ml or 1 teaspoon liquid soap from the dispenser and lather the trolley to cover all areas and hands with the soap procedure. And next is rub the palms together and next is rub the back each hands and rub both hands and rub the finger and rub the thumb and rub the fingertips in a circular motion and rotation to rub the wrist. Rotational rub the wrist and forearm and continue friction motion for at least 15 seconds each arms. Use the wooden wood to under the fingernails and lagay ang kamay yung push the blow towards the fingertips. And use the towel to dry your hands. And use tissue to turn off the faucet. Example, And next, apply oil or lotion on your hands.